In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my homemade green chili sauce. So if you're a black pepper sauce lover, I will advise you to try this recipe since you can use this same recipe to eat your rice, fried rice, jollof rice, your fried yam, banku and tilapia, potatoes, a whole lot. You can also use this same recipe to marinate your fish, chicken and then meat. So I have with me here my ginger garlic onion, I have my olive oil, I have 1 cup of shrimps, half a cup of herrings, I have my rosemary, my scallions, green pepper, cubinal pepper and then jalapeno pepper. So if you are in Ghana, I would advise you to add paposhito, since adding paposhito to your green chili sauce is a real deal, or it's a whole deal. Yeah, so if you want to know more about this recipe, please do not skip this video. Stay tuned for more. So we are all done. As you can see, I'll be having mine with some fried yam and grilled tilapia. So just in case you want to store this chili sauce for months, you need to take your time and then cook it properly so that there can be no moisture. Yeah. And also, if you intend to use this same sauce to marinate your fish, meat and then chicken, you need to omit the parts where I added herrings, and then you're good to go. So if you love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and then subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.